Instructor-Led Training, BrainCert. Instructor-led training is a time-tested and proven method of delivering corporate knowledge and skills. Benefits of instructor-led training. Instructor-led training is a valuable tool for organizations looking to improve employee performance and obtain desired outcomes. Types of instructor-led training. Instructor-led training is a popular choice for corporate learning and development programs. Advantages of delivering training in an LMS. By using a centralized platform, employees can access the same course materials across multiple locations, helping to ensure that content is consistent and up-to-date. Choosing the BrainCert for instructor-led training. BrainCert provides a comprehensive suite of tools including a virtual classroom, online quizzes and tests, streaming video lectures, audio, video recordings, whiteboard annotation, surveys, and polls. Maximizing benefits of instructor-led training. Instructors can also easily customize their courses with custom branding elements like logos, colors, and fonts to give a more professional experience with their online learning environment.